Are you tired of losing those car ride comfort levels each time you feel air pressure in your car tires at different filling stations? Every one of you car owners would definitely have experienced this situation at least once in your car ownership period. Having your own digital car tire inflators are comparatively much better than traditional tire inflators because you can use them more conveniently as per the exact prescribed pressure required for your tires. Why do you want to lose on the benefits of using your own tire inflator, which includes convenience, improved fuel efficiency, extended tire life, improved safety and versatility? However, car tire inflators are required because a flat or punctured tire can occur at any time while driving. If you too have had all of these thoughts, then this video is for you. I have bought you a product from Woscher brand. Woscher Pro Power 802D Digital Car Tire Inflator. I've been using this for myself and will review it and let you viewers know all these which you need to. Hi everyone, Totally Explode channel welcomes you all. This is your host Hari Kishan. I make videos on technical product reviews, do-it-yourself fixes, Sanatana Dharma and interesting facts. Please consider subscribing to this channel if any of these topics or videos interests you. Let's continue with the actual topic of this video. Okay, here is the box which I got for you to review and test it for myself. So this is the top print on the box which it prints. There is branding of Woscher and the model number 802D Pro Power Tire Inflator, and it says 1 + 1 year warranty. Watch the video fully. I'll let you know what is 1 + 1 year warranty and how to get that. And on the side there is compact size, return and precise LED display. And again on the back side you have Woscher branding and the size and also the given features. It says compact size, long power cable, I think it's more than 10 feet, and fast inflation, auto shut off, 3-in-1 LED light, and there is digital LCD display which is given. So on the other side you have tire inflator, strong power and fast inflation, can be used on car, bikes and any of the sports balls like basketball, rugby ball and any other inflators like your kids tubes or swimming pool tubes or whatever. So it says strong power and fast inflation. The motor is powerful and it fills it in just 2 minutes, he says, from 0. So that needs to be tested out, guys. Okay guys, it's now time to take it out from my boot of the car and then use it and show it for you as a demo. So let me close the boot. Yeah, and this is how it comes in the package. And the first and foremost thing what you need to do is you need to pull out the contents of the box, and you need to first check the tire where the air pressure is low. So go near that and open the package. It comes in this nice cotton bag. This is a very good packaging what Woscher has done over here, and it comes in a nice pull tight cotton bag. So the contents of that are the Woscher 802D inflator machine itself, and then along with that you get a few fuses a spare fuse, and then you get a spare nozzle. Okay guys, this is the LED emergency SOS lights which it has. Also it acts as a flashlight in the dark, and here is the wire nicely wrapped around the box, and then kept the cigarette lighter plug over there. And on the other side you have the nozzle, which you have to fit it to your tire itself. And this is the LCD panel wherein you see your pressure and other settings. So let me unfold this wire. It is a nice long 10 feet wire as per woscher. So I think it should be sufficient from your car cigarette lighter charger to your any one of the tires. So it's like you need to take it out from the car window, and then you need to fix it to the car tire. So yeah, let me try to pull it out for you guys and show you. This is a little shorter wire, it's not a longer wire which gets fit to the car. It's like say around 3 feet of wire from the machine. Yeah, here you have the thread. This thread is wherein goes and tightens up with your nozzle of the car tire. So nicely fix it there. While fixing it guys, you may notice a little bit of air leakage, so that's quite normal, so nothing to worry about that. You just fix it like this, tighten it. Now put your machine closer to the car tire, then take your plug of the inflator. This is how the plug looks. This gets fit in the cigarette lighter port of your car. I think every car should have one cigarette lighter port at least, and a little expensive cars have multiple cigarette lighters inside them. So this is how you need to take it out guys. So you need not open the door and then you need to take wire. What you have to do is you have to down your window panels, and then from through the window you have to take it. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm downing my window panes, and through this I need to take the plug of this. So this is where it goes in. There is already a USB charger fixed into my cigarette lighter. So let me get inside first, and then show you how it fixes there and what it does. This is how it looks guys next to your car tire. So it's exactly sufficient. Mine is a little lengthier car, which is a sedan. This is a Vento TDI model, so it's a little longer. If you have a hatchback, then this particular wire should be the length should be perfectly sufficient for all the 4 car tires to cleanly reach there. Even it was cleanly reaching to Vento itself. So hatchbacks are definitely smaller than my Vento. So yes guys, so this is how you need to fix into the car charger. And then once you fix in, you need not forget to switch on your engine, because this motor definitely only runs an engine. So it's a powerful motor which you should never attempt to run it just directly on the battery, or else it gets drained and you will be in little trouble of car not switching on. So I'm inside the car seat, trying to insert the key and trying to switch the engines on. Let me fire up the engines. Yeah, that is where I have fixed it. As you can see, there is no any sort of red light which is glowing. Once I ignition on and then switch on the engines, let me also show you the screen LCD panel which he has given to the washer machine itself. It glows in a nice deep ocean blue color. Yeah, now the ignition is switched on, the engines are running. As you can see, every device in the car is switched on. Let me switch off the blower and other things, or else it will become a load on my battery. So yeah, now I've switched it on. So the next thing what we need to do is we need to go around to the other corner where the machine is located and see whether it is powered on or not. Yes, let's check it out. As you can see guys, the blue LCD panel is nicely glowing. That means it is receiving power now. So once it is receiving power, it shows the tires PSI and what is the PSI, needed PSI which needs to be filled. So this is how the car charger glows once it is fixed in the car lighting. Thanks for watching guys this far. I'll be doing a complete usage review of how it feels and how the machine performs in few more days. So keep watching this space and have a nice day. I'll catch you up in my next video. Thank you.